Alright, so today we are going to look at how to check for UV distortion in Maya. It's very simple. All we're going to do is grab a sphere and then go into the UV channel here and then click on this button here, and automatically what happens is it shows the UV stretching. So pretty much white is what you want to go after. Anything red and anything blue is just generally kind of off. So here what's happening is the white is actually pushed together, and then here the blue is actually expanded bigger than it needs to be. So that's how you kind of pay attention to that. Now when I grab something like this and I go into the UV shell, grab the shell and go into unfold and unfold, you'll notice that it changes my UV stretching. Now you'll notice along the seam here that my UV stretching changes, and the UV stretching is basically not proper. So this means sometimes you have to break things apart a little bit more. So I'm going to go on the edge here, double click this edge and cut that. And then you'll notice that when I go into the UV shell and grab this shell and then unfold and unfold again, you'll notice that that is nearly white now. It has a little tint of blue and stuff like that, but overall it's a good UV aspect. Now, side tip is if you want to see that the UVs are overlapping or flipped, you can see here that the UVs basically are, you can click this button and see the UVs are basically either overlapping or they are reversed, means they're flipped backwards. And to kind of fix that, you basically just have to grab one of these UV shells and move it off to the side, and it will adjust accordingly. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I hope this helps you out quite a bit.